Hey there everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you all how you can make a very good snack. So if you have some chips that is very small, these are very small pieces right here. So if you got some chips, it don't matter what kind you got, grab you some of this right here, some thick onion dip, and what you gonna do is take this and you'll smash it real hard with your muscle. Like that. And then you'll go take it and put it in a bowl like this. Now when you got this right here, then you go open your chip dip. I like this kind right here. You grab this, bring it like that, and then you go mix this up, and then you go eat it like this right here. That's a very easy way how you can eat your chip and your dip and you got small pieces. And you all for watching this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!